You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
Should you adjust Korea exposure given the China semiconductor demand surge, the BOJ rate move, and the Pentagon Blacklist simultaneously? It's Wednesday, June 10th. Here's why global investors are paying attention to Korea today.
Yeah, we've got some massive institutional data points from Seoul Economic Daily colliding this week.
Right, and our mission for this deep dive is to figure out exactly how AI hardware flows, central bank shifts, and geopolitical friction are all interacting for you in real time.
Exactly. I mean, it's a lot of conflicting macro signals to parse through.
Looking at the macro data, China's May exports actually grew 19.4% year-on-year against broader consensus estimates.
Right, and China's imports from Korea hit $26.7 billion US.
Yeah, that 84% year-on-year increase makes Korea its largest single import source at a 9.8% share.
Yeah, but the US Defense Department added 188 Chinese companies like Alibaba, Tencent, and DYD to a military-linked blacklist this week.
Wait, so the U.S. aggressively blacklisting 188 Chinese tech entities forces a total reliance on Korean memory chips immediately.
Well, yes, China's inability to produce high-bandwidth memory domestically makes Korean memory a non-discretionary import for their AI infrastructure today.
So Chinese AI developers bypass the diplomatic noise to secure 100% of their high-bandwidth memory needs.
Exactly. I mean, the Codex Hyundai Motor Robotics ETF drew $38.7 billion, about $28.2 million US in net individual purchases on launch day.
Right, but the Bank of Japan raising its policy rate to 1.0% threatens this Korean tech boom at its upcoming June 15 to 16 meeting.
Yeah, Japan raising rates to 1.0% makes borrowing Japanese yen much more expensive right away.
Oh, so that yen carry unwind triggers massive sell-offs of higher-yielding Korean assets immediately.
So China's 84% Korean import surge confirms a structural demand floor for Korean memory regardless of geopolitical noise.
And, the Bank of Japan's June 16 rate hike to 1.0% represents the primary near-term #KOSPI flow risk due to potential yen carry unwinds.
Ultimately, the Pentagon Blacklist effectively accelerates supply chain bifurcation, structurally routing more AI hardware demand through Korean alternatives.
Before you close your terminal, consider this. With a looming $4 trillion AI IPO wave from companies like OpenAI, are these physical AI proxy trades just the opening act of a massive global repricing? That's today's AI PRISM Global Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by human editor. AI PRISM is a Juan Eiffer award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.